Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video we are going to create a logistics or a shipping website. So this is the website I'm going to be creating. So it's going to have some of this feature. I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up from the very first step to the last very step. Now this is a logistics or a delivery or a courier website where your customers can track their orders, can track whatever thing you are trying to ship to them. So I'm going to just walk you through a little bit of everything, then I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up really very quickly. So if you want to try, if your customers want to track their orders, they have to click on this track, and then when you have given them the tracking number and everything, now this website actually works with your email. So you need to make sure you have an email delivery system that is actually going to email all this tracking information to your customers. So assuming we have a tracking number right now, I could have easily just showed you exactly how it's going to be like. Well, before in the absence of this, let me just quickly create a tracking order so that I can show you exactly how it's going to show your customers the information, so that you know exactly how it's going to be like. So just give me a minute, let me get the order. Now, as you can see, this is the shipments we have on the website. So this is, if you go to shipments and go to all shipments, you're going to find all the shipments you have created. And if you want to create a new one, you can easily go ahead to create a new one. But I'm interested in this tracking number, and this is the tracking number we're going to use to see exactly how it's going to be like. So I'm going to copy it, come over here. So this way, let's say you have emailed this tracking number to your customers. Okay, whenever they input its tracking number and click on track results, they are going to see all the tracking information for the website. As you can see, they will see all of these things, all the information you have provided. They are literally going to see it on the website, and they can go ahead to print the tracking results if they feel like. So this is what we are going to be creating. I'm going to show you exactly how to add these other pages, contact us, about us, and every other thing. Is very simple. So if you're interested, watch the video to the end. Let me teach you exactly how to go ahead to set this kind of website up without wasting your time. So let's go start into the video. So if you want to create a website like this, of course, you know you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a domain name, and you're going to need web hosting. So the good news I have for you is that you can go ahead to use the link I have in the description box below. That will enable you to get domain name for cheap. So if you click on that link, it's a Namecheap affiliate link. So I'm going to get a little commission when you buy domain name using that link. Okay, so you just go ahead, search your domain, and go ahead to pay for the domain. Now once you've paid for the domain, if you need web hosting, you can send me an email or message me on Instagram. All my information now in the description box below, and I'll try as much as possible to attach my WhatsApp link as well, so you can message me on WhatsApp for a web hosting. Now this web hosting is actually a very premium web hosting. I offer it to my customers, and this is the way for me to support everything I do. So it's actually very good hosting. You're not going to have any issue, and because you're hosting the site with me, I'm going to go ahead to help you to manage your website and do so many other things. It comes with a lot of benefits. So if you're interested in that, message me immediately. Now if you want to go ahead to also purchase web hosting from this platform Namecheap, you can go ahead to do that. You have the choice to make. So once you've gotten your domain and you've gotten your web hosting, it's pretty much simple. You just have to connect them together. Now if you don't know exactly how to do it, if you buy a web hosting from me, you don't have anything to worry, as I'm going to connect it for you. Now if you bought it from Namecheap, they are also going to connect it for you. Okay, very simple. Now let's say you bought a domain and you bought your web hosting and you have linked them up. Now you have your website. You have also installed WordPress, and this is the backend of your WordPress site. Now if you don't know how to use WordPress, this is your first time seeing it, then don't be scared. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. So now let's say we have gone ahead to have done every other thing we need to do. Now this is WordPress. Okay, if you go to the front page of this website right now, you're going to see there is nothing on this website. It's just a theme, and that's it. Okay, so if you want to make it beautiful, you need to upload a theme. So you come to this appearance, come to themes, and go ahead to upload a theme. So the theme I'm working with, or you can work with any theme if you like, any theme of your choice. I think this website, the theme I'm working with this one is called, let me check the theme we are using for this site. Okay, it's Hello Elementor by Hello by Elementor. So the Elementor owns this theme. So I don't know I can go ahead to use that same theme. Look at it here, hello by Elementor. I can go ahead to use any other theme I feel like. Okay, so without wasting your time, I'll just quickly install this hello Elementor and then go ahead to show you exactly how to set it up. So I've installed this. You can also go ahead to install Astra is also a good theme you can use if you want to as well. So I'm going to try to see if I can get Astra. This is Astra, then you can go ahead to install it and activate it. Okay, so it's pretty much very simple to install and activate. Okay, so now let's say you have installed the theme you want and you have activated it. So if you install Astra, it's going to come with this starter template. Okay, so I can go ahead to say yes, get the starter template, and it's going to go ahead to activate the starter template and help us launch our website. Now the reason why I'm using Astra is because we can easily set up a website using Astra, right? They are using one of their pre-made templates, but all of this one, you need to create it, you need to design it from scratch. Now I'm not going to show you, I'm not going to dwell a lot on the designing aspects because that is actually relative to whatever thing you want to do. So but the process are the same. Everything I'm going to show you in this video, you still need it for you to create any kind of design for your logistics website. So I'm going to say AI builder, a classic editor. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to select Elementor as the page builder, and it's going to ask me this, what type of website are you creating? So we're going to allow it to load up, and then we can go ahead to select the kind of website we are trying to create, and then the theme or whatever thing it asks for us that is going to match the kind of website I'm trying to create. So I'm going to wait for it to update this and then come back. So it has finally updated, and this is exactly what we have. So we can go ahead now to select a template that we can use. So because the reason why I want to go through this template route is I just want to quickly show you how the things you need. So if you want to design, if you want to take a lot of time to design the website, then you might need to do a lot of other things, or I can go ahead to make another separate video to show you how to get your designs done, because my aim of this video is to quickly show you how to do it, not to dwell so much on a particular thing. Okay, so I'm going to just select one. Let's see if this Astra has anything related to logistics. Let me search. So let's see if they have anything. Okay, they don't have anything related to logistics. Let me see if they have delivery. Did they have delivery? I'm not sure they do. Okay, seems they have one delivery stuff, but of course most of these things are like pre-made stuff that are not really relevant to what I'm saying right now. But for the sake of this video, let me just install one and then continue. So let me just install this outdoor adventure. Let me install this one, and then I'm continuing to show you exactly how it's done. Don't worry, the process are the same. It's just the design that will be different. Okay, but of course you can go ahead to design it anyhow you want. I'm going to show you exactly how to design, but not so in depth. So I'm going to work with this. I'm going to click on continue, and then I'm going to select page builder, automatically selected. Contact form, this was automatically selected. Which other thing do I need here? I don't need any other thing here. Connect with your website. Connect your website, visit us for free. I don't need any other thing, so I'm going to click on continue, and then I'm going to enter some of this random information. I'm an expert. I'm building it for my client or my company, and then click on understand, click on build site. So I'm going to allow this to actually install all of the things, all these starter templates, starter everything we need, and then we can go back and continue on setting up the website. So I'm actually going to wait for it to install all of this. Shouldn't take a lot of time, and then once it's done, we'll continue with the video. So guys, as you can see, this website template has finally updated, and as you can see, we have this congratulations message. So what we can do now is to click on this view my website, and it's actually going to take us to the website. Okay, so as you can see, this is the website right now, and this is everything we have installed. So fast, super easy, and easy to, we've installed everything easy. So right now I'm going to show you exactly what we need for us to have this logistics website done. So the first thing we need to do is to go back to the dashboard, and then I'm going to walk you through the plugins and every other thing that is needed for this type of website. So let's get started to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. What we need now is to go to plugins, go to installed plugins. Go to add new plugins. Sorry, we need to add a little bit of other plugins. So the first one you're going to add is this one called WPCargo. So we're going to add this plugin called WPCargo Track and Trace. This is the plugin we need for us to have that logistic website done. So it's very, very important. Okay, there might be other ones, but this is the one that actually I have worked with, I've tested, I have approved, and I'll continue to use because this is the best one I can see right now. So I'm going to click on activate to activate the plugin. Now once we have activated the plugin, as you can see here, we have a couple of bit of plugins here. I'm going to delete this ones, they have no use. I'm also going to delete this one, they have no use. Now we have Elementor, the starter template. I'm going to deactivate it because I'm done using it. You want to make sure if you're not using any plugin, you remove it from your website, from your WordPress dashboard. So we have this WP Form Lights, WPCargo, and Elementor. These plugins very, very essential. So right now, this plugin, if I go back to this site and refresh right now, you see this plugin did not change anything. But let me show you exactly the part, or the most important part. So I'm going to come to this WPCargo, which is the plugin we just updated. Go to general settings. We need to do some settings for us to use the plugin. So this is where we're going to add some all the information we need to add for the plugin. So add shipment types. Is it by air, international shipping, truckload, van move, whichever one you want to add. You can say road trip, whichever one you want to. Just make sure you're separating it with comma. And after that, you can add DC transport, land transport, air transport, air freight. You can add any other one. These are the shipment mode. These are the country, location, shipment carrier. You can add your name, your own website name here as well. Shipment payment method. Add you wanted to pay you, is cash, check, PayPal, Zelle, whichever one. Just put it right here. Add shipment status. You can add this one if you want: pending, picked up, hold out, or for this, out for delivery, transit, whichever one. Just add it right here. Shipment logos. This is where you're going to upload the logo of your shipment if you want that. I'm not going to select any logo. Page track. So it's gonna, by default, when you upload that plugin, it's actually going to create this track page for you. But if you want another one, you can create it. But since it has created, we're going to use this track as the page track settings, and then you can go ahead to select font family. So let me work with this, and then I like to select this, and I like to leave it as 12. You can now go ahead to change all of this. I'll leave it, and then yes, once we are done, just click on changes, and this settings is actually going to save. Now once these settings are saved, just like you've seen here, I need to go back to pages and go to all pages. Right now, this is where we're going to find the track page, which is this track page right now. So I'm going to click on view in a new tab. This will be the tracking form. So this is where the tracking information of our the logistic website is. As you can see, it says here track results. So no matter the theme you are using, no matter the design of your website, this thing will actually work on any type of design. That's why I didn't want to use the design I just showed you in the beginning of the video. I go ahead to show you something really different. Now this is very important because we have gotten this track form page. So right now, we'll go back, we'll make sure we have verified this thing is working. Then the next thing we need to do is to go ahead to design the website the way we want. So you can go ahead to use Elementor here, and then you can go ahead to design this website anyhow you want it. Now if you don't know anything about designing a WordPress website, tell me in the comment section. I can guide you. I can make a complete tutorial about how to design a WordPress website or a WordPress blog or something. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, Elementor. But in this video, I'm going to just quickly run around or walk you through little things. So like you already know, you can change the words here. This lemon, I can give it a word called track your goods. I can just call it this, and then link, I just look for that track page as the link. So let me come over here. So this is the track page. I'm going to use it as the link, as whenever they click this track your goods, it's actually going to take them to that track page. So this one I'm going to say, instead of explore the world, I can say we deliver the best. I can just say we deliver the best. I mean, it's just for me to show you that you can literally do anything you want here. Okay, so when you're done, just make sure you find something catchy to see here. So I'm going to leave this. I'm going to say this wonderful gift. I'll just say I will just say major logistics. So I mean, just find something good, use, and you're good to go. So I'm just going to leave this design. So you can also change the background image. If you click on this icon here, you're going to find this background image. You can go ahead to upload anyone you want to use or use a media library. So in my case, I don't want to tamper with a lot of things, so I'll just barely leave it because I don't have anything uploaded and I don't want to upload anything. I just want to show you how it's done, and I'm glad I'm showing you that. So you can upload your image here, and that's it. So I'm going to leave it this. You can go ahead to design every other thing, any aspect you don't like this one. I can go ahead to delete it, and then have this, change the image, add some text, change the links, delete any section I don't want. So simple to edit, guys. So once you're done, make sure to always hit this publish, because if you don't do that, all your work is gone if you don't save and you leave this place. So I've saved it. If I go back to the website right now and click on this logo, you're going to find out that the website has actually changed. Yes, this is it. All the things we've updated has currently showed up. So if I click on this track your goods, it should take us to the tracking form, as you can see here. Then if you have any tracking information, we can enter and track it. It's going to display everything. So simple, guys. I hope you're learning something. So simple. So right now, if you want to change this logo and every other aspect of this website, you can go ahead to use this customize option. Go ahead to change the logo, the color, or whichever thing you want to change that is not demanding that you should use Elementor. You can go ahead to use customize to do that. Very simple, straight to the point, very understandable. So if you have any question, guys, the comment section is open. Throw in your questions and I'll be glad to answer them. And if it's warrant making a video, I'm actually going to make a video for you. So as you can see, this is where we change the logo. If you click on this icon right now, you can see we can go ahead to change site logo and others. This is the logo currently on the site. We can go ahead to change it, but I'm not going to change anything, but this is how you do that. Okay, very simple. You can go ahead to change this text here and all this information here. So once you're done with all of these things, these are various ways you can go ahead to customize your website, which I've showed you how. Then I'm going to quickly create a shipment. So if I want to create a shipment, just click on add new shipment. And this shipment is very important because this is how your customers will see it. So this will be the shipment tracking number. So you have to enter some random things here. I just want to enter some random things here. Okay, please bear with me. This is very important so that I can show you a little bit of how the whole thing is. Okay, so bear with me. So let me go ahead to just enter some random information. So I'm done entering all of this information. So what I need to do now is to click on, you can create categories for it, but no need to create anything else for me. I'm just click on publish, and this should actually publish. Yes, that's published. So I'm going to copy this tracking code right now. So remember, you can actually be sending out emails using SMTP. If you don't know how to do SMTP for WordPress websites, I'm going to make a separate video for that. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll show you exactly how to set up an SMTP. Now, SMTP will help your WordPress website send email to where it needs to be sent, because without that, your website will literally not send any email to anybody. Even when you forget your password, you won't see it. But if you have an SMTP set up, you can actually see it. I'm going to talk about the importance of SMTP and how to set it up in another video. So right now, I can paste that tracking number right here now and click on track results, and as you can see, it's actually going to pull up some information. As you can see, we have not actually added a logo. That logo is supposed to display here when we add that, but aside that, these are all the information we entered and everything. Very simple, very reliable. So as you can see, guys, this thing is actually something that works, and you can actually do it on any website design of your choice. So it doesn't have to be the same one I've showed you. You can design a website anyhow and have these things embedded or working directly on it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and you're able to learn something. Now remember, if you need to add any other pages like contact us and other stuff, you need to add the plugin. So the ones that the one that came with this one is called if I go to plugin and click on add install plugin, you're going to see WP Form Lite. This is this one. I don't like this. You can deactivate this and use Forminator. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we use Forminator, so I can go ahead to search for Forminator, which is actually fantastic for forms. If you want to create a form, as you can see, this is Forminator. You can install this Forminator and activate it, and you can use it to create a form and embed on the page, on your contact us page. Because the other one, WP Form Lite, if once they send you an message, you're not going to see it. So what's the essence? Except when you pay for Pro. But this one is totally for free. So when they send you a message or you send a message, it's actually going to be displayed without any stuff. It's very easy. So Forminator, they also have a pro version, but I mean the free version does all of these things like I just said. Okay, so you can go ahead to deactivate this Forminator from WP Form Lite and leave this one. Go ahead to replace the page. For example, this actually has a contact page. You can go ahead to create a form there and embed that form right here instead of having this WP Form Lite form, which when you send a message, you won't see it until you upgrade to the Pro. But that Forminator old, you can see it and you can use it here. If you don't know how to set it up, it's simple. Like I said, after you've downloaded it, just go ahead to click on, where is it, this Forminator. Go ahead to click on forms and create your form, and after that, go create a short code and embed the short code. So I don't want to go through all of this, but like I said, if you have created a shipment, you find all your shipment at this all shipment. As you can see, this is it. So I mean, this is exactly how to set up a logistic website, or I call it a logistics website or a delivery website. Super fast, super easy, no major stress. Okay guys, I'm done with this video, and I think I've been able to show you exactly how to set up a logistics or a delivery kind of website. Now if you need further information from me, I'll be in the comment section. If you want me to guide you, if you want to buy web hosting, contact me. We'll set up a very reliable, affordable web hosting for you. And if you need any other thing, I'll be in the comment section to answer you and provide you with all the information that you might be able to need. This delivery or logistic website, I believe it's simple to understand and you have understood it. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep creating, keep enjoying, and keep loving what you do. Thank you very much.